It's Natalie from the Discovery Center, and it's right before 7 a.m. and I'm going to take you on my morning walk today, and that's because it's Oceans Week in Halifax. And I'm going to take you on my walk. We're going to pick up some trash along the way, and we'll have a little chat afterwards. So come along with me. I'm going to put my gloves on so I can be nice and safe while I'm picking up trash. And I've got my bag right here. There we go. And we're gonna walk along, so come on with me. A little bit of wildlife. Hey, buddy. Look at that sky. Alright everybody, so that was my morning walk along our beautiful boardwalk here in Halifax. Brought you to the iconic wave, and as you can see I've got a pretty full bag for, you know, a 15-minute walk or so. That's a lot of trash to collect. And the thing about it is a lot of it is, let me just grab something here, is plastic. So you might be wondering why this is important. Why am I walking along the ocean? And what happens is plastic, it does start to break down. But what it does is it breaks down into these little tiny pieces called microplastics. And the science is getting there on microplastics, because we didn't really know that they existed until not too long ago. But the plastic starts to break down, and little particles can go into marine animals, marine life, so it's in our water, and it's also in our soil, and even in our air. So they can be airborne microplastics as well. And we know that it's not necessarily great for our marine life, and the impacts, I'm sure we'll see more and more science throughout the years. But yeah, so if you're walking along the boardwalk, what you want to do, if you do a little trash run like me, it's not all trash, right? Some of it can be recycled. So we're gonna come over here and we're gonna look at our options, and we're gonna do our best to try and separate some of these out. So we've got quite a bit of styrofoam, which is going to go into the garbage. Plastic here, so we can put that into recyclable bin. I've got a couple of cans, so I'm gonna put those into my recyclable bin as well. Now most of the rest of this is just regular old trash. We've got some biodegradable cups, but here in Halifax you can't actually put these in the compost because our composting cycle is not the right length for them to be able to break down, so they go into the trash as well. Thanks so much everybody, and happy Oceans Week.